Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 58 on that test of orals, section 7. The instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the word that contains the sound represented by the given phonetic symbol. So the given phonetic symbol here is J, consonant sound, and option A is pressure, B is patient, C is charade, D is leisure. So it would be a good idea to transcribe each of the options to see which one contains the phonetic symbol given to us. So option A, pressure, is transcribed this way: pressure. Option B, patient, is transcribed this way: patient. Option C, charade, is transcribed this way: charade. And option D, leisure, is transcribed this way. So from the transcriptions we have done, we see that in option D, leisure, you have the J consonant sound present there, and that is the given phonetic symbol. Hence the correct answer is D, leisure. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.